What is GCSS-ARMY? GCSS-ARMY is a single system that contains the functionality associated with the business areas of supply, maintenance, property, and tactical finance. GCSS-ARMY is an integrated system where users with access and permissions can log in and perform their business area missions regardless of their position in the modular structure or location throughout the world. GCSS-ARMY was developed by leveraging the state-of-the-art Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) software known as SAP. GCSS-ARMY will replace the existing suite of legacy STAMIS, which includes the Standard Army Retail Supply System, Standard Army Maintenance System Enhanced, Property Book Unit Supply Enhanced, a host of unique applications, and the material management structure associated with these systems. The benefits of GCSS-ARMY are many. Examples include improved equipment readiness, improved asset visibility, the virtual elimination of multiple resource-intensive reconciliation processes, reduction and elimination of waste, decreased training cycle time, elimination of redundant entry and reworking of data in different systems, improved customer wait time, improved repair cycle time, reduction and elimination of unique applications, economies of scale relative to training and system support, improved catalog data management, more effective and efficient material management, more precision in tracking total cost of ownership. GCSS-ARMY provides the capability to utilize any hardware for business activity. Sustainment Information Systems equipment may be defined as Central Processing Unit (CPU), monitor, keyboard, mouse, CAC reader, AIT handheld devices, server, hubs, VSAT, KC, switches, and router. The Supply Support Activity, SSA, is represented by the cylinder on the right. Plant 2001 SLOC represents the designation for an SSA. The storage location, SLOC, is a sublocation of the plant and carries a unique number that identifies the specific SSA. The SSA has three main functions. First, the receiving section, which is responsible for processing all incoming materials to the SSA. Once this is done, the storage section puts materials away in warehouse bins and also picks materials to fill customer requests. Then, the issue section is responsible for managing materials to be issued to customer units. When the needed items are not in stock at the unit, GCSS-ARMY checks the stock at the SSA. GCSS-ARMY runs a batch program called Material Requirements Planning, or MRP. If the material for the work order is not available at the unit, a purchase requisition, PR, is automatically created. When the next MRP run occurs, the approved released purchase requisition is converted to a stock transport order, STO, which is in effect a purchase order sent to a plant. An STO is used to request or instruct a plant to transport material to another plant or unit. GCSS-ARMY automatically checks to see if the part or material is on hand at the SSA. If it is on hand, an outbound delivery and transfer order is created. If the part or material is not on hand at the SSA, GCSS-ARMY will create a PR to National. If part or material is on hand, GCSS-ARMY then displays the stock availability for the selection criteria. A transfer order is an instruction to move materials from a source warehouse bin to a destination customer bin. GCSS-ARMY TOs contain detailed information about the movement of material in the SSA. When an outbound or delivery and transfer order is created, GCSS-ARMY displays a collective list of all POs that are being picked up or being put away. During a post-goods issue, the SSA storage section picks the material from the warehouse bin and then confirms transfer of the material to the issue section with supporting documentation. GCSS-ARMY then displays a list of all outbound deliveries to the customer. SSA personnel place the material in the customer bin and perform a post-goods issue, PGI. A PGI affects three actions in GCSS-ARMY. First, it reduces the SSA inventory. Second, the PGI issues the material to the outbound delivery. Third, the PGI triggers GCSS-ARMY to create an inbound delivery to the requesting unit. At this time, the material is in transit in the system between the SSA and the unit. A material document is generated for every PGI, which captures the details of the material moving out of the SSA. GCSS-ARMY provides near real-time visibility of inbound deliveries in the system. You can check the inbound delivery monitor at any time to determine what material is waiting for pickup at the SSA. When the material is picked up at the SSA, a goods receipt is executed by the receiving unit. The goods receipt references the inbound delivery and moves the in-transit material into the unit's inventory, thus increasing the unit's inventory of that material. A material document is generated for every goods receipt. The material document captures the details of the material being received into the unit. When a goods receipt is created, the unit clerk then verifies the information for the part or material that is being picked up. Understanding how parts and materials move through GCSS-ARMY is essential to knowing how to manage and locate orders for parts and material. Familiarization with the terminology and logic of material flow in GCSS-ARMY is also a foundational step for using transactions in the system in order to accomplish critical tasks. Web-based training is available to personnel on the GCSS-ARMY website.